This is tarta board. A character that appeared in Girls in a Band 3. So that would be very cool. So it would be very cool for me to make the secrets of tarta board. Anyway, just listen to this. So that was the jump scare. Sorry, it didn't have a noise, so it's always known as the husband. Imagine if there's a Givanium Total. Trojan Total was a movie in the theater and gone in 7. There could be some muties coming out. Oh, no, so the total board for Trojan Tarta. Kind of messed up. Also, wondering what total board is, and then Hellish Tarta. Also, if you're wondering, 3, 2, 1. Baby Tarta board and going 2. Then this is pretty much. Like and subscribe, add a link, and comment down below. Please. At 302.